Hello, welcome to DIY It Is. Today we've got our brush toolbox. It looks really nice and has different tools with it. I'm really curious. It's €20. You can buy it online on Amazon, or you can buy it in a toy shop. It's for children up to 3 years. And yeah, let's see what we have. It's a very nice suitcase. I think it looks really good, so we're going to see what we can find in there. Right, let's see what we've got here. We've got the saw. Very cute. Not sharp, but that's fine. We can't hurt ourselves with it, so that's good. Very blunt. Right, what else do we have? We've got the bolts. As far as screws. As for a piece of wood, which is plastic, but right, our piece of wood, like I said, which is plastic, but you can screw some screws in there. Also plastic, very light as well. 2 pieces. Then we've got a screwdriver, a flat one, very light as well. Very handy. And what else do we have? Yeah, it's very handy. We've got the screws here. There we go, it fits perfectly. Absolutely perfect. Also 2 pieces of that. Also from plastic. Right. Then we've got a hammer. Also very, very light. It's not sharp at all at the side, on the back part. Then we've got the fantastic drill. And it works as well. Perfect. You can even do it 2 ways, so you can place it in the screw in, but you can also screw back out. And we've got a tongs here. And you can roll to make it smaller or bigger. Let's see. Yeah, it works. That works perfectly. Very handy. Yeah, very handy. That looks really nice. Then we've got a little part here. Let's see, I think that's the part that goes in the drill. I think. Alright, let's see what we can do with it. We've got the pieces of fake wood here. I can put the screw in there. And the bolt. Right, that's the start. We can use the drill. Or the screwdriver. We hold it there so we can't move, and then we use the drill. Perfect. That's our first screw. Yeah, you can do different varieties. You can even place them both together. A piece of wood. Yeah, if you like a video, please subscribe to our channel down below for free and always be the first one to be informed about new videos. We have loads more videos for you, so I'd say have a look. If you've got any questions or comments, write them down below. And yeah, we'll see you soon at the Choice channel.